Go!
Hello, sa space na tira!
You go! Come in!
I'm here! Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Happy birthday!
Hey, what's up?
Here because I have the important matter.
Okay. What?
Can you please return the horn? The building?
Rice cooker.
Can you please return the rice cooker? Because we're gonna cook rice on the rice cooker.
You always say the rice cooker. Did you see? I use the rice cooker right now because it's fish.
This
Fish chicken. It's fish because we're going to bring back to you. So get out there before my blood pressure already. Yeah.
what other cooker are you talking about? All you have to do is return the rice cooker or else we take a motion here.
You want a promotion?
Yeah!
Really?
Yeah.
Get out.
Oh my God, you're done! You're done!
What's your gun?
Basahin mo na! You're done!
Yes, I'm done. Get out before I take this and shoot you.
Oh, shoot me now!